the Cuban 8. Watch as Major Waters traces a vertical figure 8 over the demonstration area. Repositions his aircraft to demonstrate the low-altitude, high-speed capability of the F-16. As he passes show center, he'll be traveling just under the speed of sound at 650 miles per hour. That's half of the Viper's top speed of Mach 2. Now closely watch show left. Major Waters will accelerate rapidly and snap the F-16 to a series of aileron rolls, demonstrating its exceptional roll maneuverability. Dropping him to the left, it's rain and the triple roll. The ability to turn tight is crucial. Watch now as Major Waters shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, he's going to bank sharply and accelerate to a tight turn, pressing him into the seat with a force of 9 times his weight, or 9 Gs. In a full turn, the Viper has a turn radius of less than 1,400 feet. Watch now, Major Waters will demonstrate the F-16's crisp landing characteristics as he performs a 4-point roll at show center, pausing briefly at each 90-degree increment. Notice the precision at which these individual movements are executed. And now, from the left is the F-16 and the 4-point roll. Now watch, we have beautiful skies, and this is called the vertical reposition. He's climbing up to 5,000 feet, rolling into an inverted position. Checking airspeed and altitude with our safety officer. And we are good to go. Now watch as he screams towards the earth. He's gonna pass show center at 950 feet per second.
Ready?